Here. What are you doing?
I'm trying to sit down.
Well, you can't sit down where there's no chair. Here. Do some finger walking and see how those fingers sound today. Get up in your perfect position, please. Both hands. Check these hands before you start. Ready, son?
Yeah.
Here's your intro. Say something?
Nothing. I want him to say.
Okay, it was pretty good. Can you do it again? I'm gonna turn the air off. You go do it again. Hey, remember.
I don't know how to do thumb notes.
You want to learn how to do some thumb notes? Yeah. Do that twinkle for me. I promise. I'll show you some thumb notes here in just a minute. Do twinkle again. You were looking at my thumbs.
No.
What? Here?
Yeah.
Okay, get up, get your guitar up. Come on, I'll show you some thumb notes.
Using both of your thumbs like you were fucking with this thumb.
Well, this thumb stays back here always, back here. But hey, get up, please. Son, I don't want to tell you to get up in position every time, okay? Sit up, and let's just take just this hand, right? Watch. When we were using our fingers, we rested our thumb right here, right?
Yeah.
So let's do the opposite now. Let's rest our fingers on the first few strings. Just rest them. Just rest them there. There you go. And pluck the thumb. You don't need that hand. There you go. Just get used to that pluck. That's different. It feels different. And try fifth string. Good. Fourth string. Those other fingers want to pluck, don't they?
I want to, but you're going to make it sound like blues.
Oh, well, hey, we're going to get there, I promise. Sit up straight and keep doing this. Hey, look at me. This is where the following instructions is important, because I know you want to play blues with your thumb, but we got to get it step by step, okay? Hey, hello? Okay, okay. Do the fourth string. And like we did before, let's see without looking if we can go back to the fifth string. Yeah, you did it. That was easy. Back to sixth string. We could do a little bluesy rhythm here. Watch, do it like this. Can you stop it right after? Watch how I go. I go 1, 2, and then I stop it with my thumb. Bum, bum. Yeah. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Yeah. Now the fifth string.
I'm going to be a really good blues player if I keep on doing that.
Well, hey, if you keep on doing all this, you're going to be an awesome player. Hey, buddy, please stop and get into position, and then continue. Now, fifth. Back to sixth. Back to blues, little blues kind of riff thing I can show you is this. Watch. Hey, back up in your position.
Remember that? I think I might have heard 2, 1.
You want to say it to me? You heard some in there. Let's do the
2, 1.
Let's do the Peter Gunn with our thumb.
2,
Just watch.
2, 1.
Hey, please watch thumb real quick. So we use thumb in that. So that's a good idea. Let's do that. Do you remember what the numbers are? Hey, stop for a second and please talk to me. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0,
4, 3.
That's exactly the numbers. So if you know where to put your fingers in what position, we've been playing Twinkle in what we call first position. Look, that means that first finger belongs to the first fret, second finger, second fret, third finger, third fret, fourth finger, fourth fret. That's first position. But look, if we move to second position, watch. Everything just moves up 1 fret. Now, if I stay there in second position and then I use the numbers that we learned last night, I've got Peter Gunn. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 4, 3. So get up in your position and let me help you try it, bud.
Is it the last? Is it 6 string?
It is the 6th string. Hey, Hank, look. First, get in your position. Son, you're not listening to me. Put that foot flat on the floor. Put this foot up on this thing so that your guitar is up and so you can see well, okay? Now, look, it's on this string. You got those fingers in the right place. When your first finger plays, it would play that note. So just play that note for me. Just the first finger note. Just play just one. You got all of them there. There you go. There it is. You got to really squeeze between that thumb and finger. Yeah. And now play what the second finger would be. Goes a little higher, right? Third finger. Fourth finger. You haven't used this one yet. It's hard. Yeah. So there's your 4, 3, 2, and 1. So if you remember the numbers, you can play it. Hey, bud. Keep going. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 4. It's hard. Yeah, 4, 3. Good, and then repeats. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. Oh, buddy, good job. Yeah.
That's not exactly like the same thing.
Yeah, well, it's not exactly yet. I mean, we got to get it so it's smooth and faster, right?
Yeah.
And that's going to take some practice, but let's do it. Come on, this is great. Get up in your perfect position, please, before we start. And let's say that, hey, let's say the numbers as we go. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. Make sure you use 4. 4, 3. Nice. Let's do it 2 more times.
Need to scratch.
That's all right.
Lots of itches.
Here we go. Say it with me. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 4. You got out of place. 3. Nice. One more time.
0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0.
Fantastic. That's great.
Would you play it fast or smoother?
Yeah, let's get a beat going. Here, help me get a beat. 1, 2. Keep a beat with me. You follow me. 1, 2. Here we go.
Is there no bounce to it?
Well, that's actually, I think most of the time the piano player plays that part. Dun, 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 dun. And there's other horns and stuff playing in the background. I'll play it for you. Well, let's play it later. Let's do some more. Come on. One more twinkle.
One more.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna play Pepperoni Pizza just on the first string, and I wanna go light and fast. So. Try that fast. Do it lightly and fast. That's it. Second string. Try to start with your first finger, your index finger. And third. That's awesome. Let's do it. Let's do pepperoni pizza and then we'll do the computer. All the way through.
Entire Peter Gunn thing for me.
Absolutely. Good job. Good job. Set up great. Nice. Now hold on. Let me give you an intro, please. Here we go. Get ready. Sit up straight. Third finger. Sit up straight. Sit up straight, buddy. Good. Again. You're doing it. Keep concentrating. Two more phrases. Here's the first. Lift up. Lift up, buddy. That was great. Good job. Good job.
Like, what I mean, like,
Let's play some blues. Position. Get all this stuff in here. You ready?
sometimes when it sounds a little bad, and blues it sounds good, right?
That's what a lot of people count on.
Something that might sound bad sounds good in the blues, kind of, right?
Play the scale. Let's hear it. Hey, that's the best I've heard you play it. That was smooth. Let's go some more.
If we could try to learn a duet in pops,
Absolutely.
I mean, I'm Bob when he comes.
Absolutely. That'd be fun. But hey, we got to start with practicing now. Hey, Hank, you're losing concentration a bit, buddy. So, come on, some more. Let's do a little bit more and we're done. You've had a good practice so far. You've done really good.
You know what?
Hey, play it. Don't say it. Play it.
There's a new incredible thing, and there's a
Son.
new incredible movie sometime ever. I'm gonna try to be in it if there's a new character, or at least a voice.
Yeah.
That sounds better. That actually sounds a little better than blues. Did it sound a little better than blues?
Stop talking.
Did it sound a little better than blues to you? Didn't that sound a little better than blues to you?
I don't know, bud.
To me, that sounded better than blues.
Better than blues? Well, so far you're talking more than you're actually playing the blues. So come on, keep going. Jam on a few notes. Make it sound good. Yeah. snarl in there. You were like,
It's not even better than that. It sounds way better than yours. In my opinion. That should actually be a saying. That should actually be a saying.
all right.